Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story effects option missing problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I have solved the problem. Now first open your Play Store app, search Instagram, tap on Instagram. Now update your Instagram app, tap on update. After Instagram app is updated, now open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search Instagram, tap on Instagram, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data. Finally tap on delete. Now open your Instagram app, tap on story. Now select any picture, tap on 3-star menu, and finally show your story effects option. I have solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.